I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect paper plane.
Let's get this party started.
Rocking is about to commence. Again. Again. Again!
So what is the paper plane? Obviously, it's made of paper. When flying in the air, the paper plane is subject to 4 forces: thrust, air drag, lift, and gravity. All of these forces are balanced, in particular if the air molecules push the airplane up and equal the gravity, then the plane stays up. For both children and teenagers, playing paper plane can cultivate their ability to solve practical problems beyond the boundary of traditional disciplines and improve the coordination and flexibility of hand and brain. This kind of performance, like a seed planted in the heart of children and teenagers, will cultivate their love for model aircraft and the blue sky. And at the same time, the history of paper plane is also interesting and meaningful. In 1909, John Knudsen Northrop used the paper airplane to do a simulation test to find the flight mechanism of a real aircraft. Because of that, paper plane was created successfully in about 1930. In 2010, Japanese engineer Tako Toda created a new record in the history of paper plane. His paper plane could fly 29.9 seconds. It was the longest record and was collected by Guinness Records. The method he used was totally based on the ancient art book, without scissors and glue, only paper and hand. In February 2012, Joe Oil and John Collins created the world's most distance flying paper plane Guinness record for the 69.14 meters in California. There's no one can break it until now. The distance was even longer than the Wright brothers' first flight distance. In 2015, the first World Paper Airplane Championship was held in British. There were over 1,000 contestants, and the age range is from 3 to 87 years old.